put your children to bed. Put your dad and mom away, if they're still living with you. Or maybe you're living with them. Slacker. What is with it with department stores nowadays? Now, unfortunately, I'm a proud supporter of the mom and pop operations, but unfortunately, once in a while, I gotta go to Walmart and see the Walmartians. Why do I go there? Because mom and pop want to sell me the same laundry soap for $11 and Walmart will sell it to me for $5. And I'm not to that point where I'm making that kind of money yet, where I can support mom and pop and that kind of stuff. But on other things, I will. It doesn't seem to matter what fucking day, what time, when it is, there's never enough tills open, and it's with this like every bloody store. I do not get it. There's 15 fucking tills and there's 3 cashiers, and that is not exaggerating at all. It's the fucking truth, and we all know it. I go there the other day, evening, and oh God, I don't know where to begin with this one because I wasn't even going to do a rant, but it's still sticking with me, so I just got to get it out there. I go there in the evening, supper time, thinking all these Walmartians will be at home eating food or doing something, but it's a little slower than it normally is, but they're fucking there anyway. But that's besides the point, I guess. I don't even know where this is going. I'm so frustrated. Forget about all of it. I get in line, I got my shit, I'm waiting. In front of me are a couple that obviously just moved here from who the fuck knows where. And I'm not being racist, but they're not from here. And that's all I'm going to say. And that's fine. They're in line. They're fucking around, they're buying all their household ornaments. They're buying all this weird fucking household ornaments. And the husband is saying, do you have a box to wrap that up in? You're at Walmart, you fucking dick. If you wanted something that had a box around it, you should have bought something in a box. What you bought didn't have a box. It didn't come with a box. You're at Walmart. You're at a department store. You're not at your friendly little neighborhood store where they're selling you trinkets that they are wrapping up for you. You're at a fucking department store. You should have brought a box on your own. Shove it up your ass. That'll be enough protection, hopefully. Get your fucking shit. Get out of my way. Cashier's polite enough to say, no, we don't do that stuff here, but let me see if I can help you. And I'm kind of, I'm one of these guys where if I go in a store and I know I'm going to wait for 5 minutes in lineup, I'll just fucking leave the shit there and walk away. I don't like to be out and around and about people. So anyway, she finds him a box, nice cashier at this point. Gets him a box, helps him up, wraps it up, makes the little guy happy. Strange thing is, it was the guy asking, not the wife. Anyway, it's time to pay. What do they do at Walmart? Is that going to be on your Walmart card today? No, it's going to be cash. Would you like to apply for a Walmart card? Oh, here it comes. Would you like to apply for a Walmart card? Yes, I would. Now she can see now at this point, there's 3 tills open. She's one of them. So there's 2 others. And she's lined, there's myself, a lady behind me, and now another guy. She's getting lined up. Right where she is, not even fucking 10 feet, is customer service. 2 girls there, nobody there. What she should have done as a good cashier, because she's doing her job, she asked, would you like to apply for one? And that's what they want them to do. She's doing her job there. She should have said, all right, well, there's nobody over there at customer service. You go over there and they'll help you out. But no, she don't do that. She says, all right. Well, nowadays at Walmart, when they do it on the bloody thing where you swipe your credit card in. So she says, okay, key in all your information. The husband, oh, by the way, they got a screaming kid with them. This is where I'm going with the husband. I was about to say, they got a kid that won't shut up, won't stop touching everything, fucking moving the gum around the chocolate bars, every fucking thing, doesn't put it back, making a fucking mess out of everything. There's another rant. Why don't people nowadays control their kids? Let them run fucking loose like a fucking animal. Anyway, he's trying to deal with the kid. He can't deal with it anymore. I'm giving him the fucking stink eye. I'm just fucking staring this asshole down. He finally, I'm going to take the kid outside, he says. Good. You better. So he takes the kid outside. The lady says, okay, here. So she takes something and swipes it inside this machine and says, okay, here, punch in your information. The cashier does. The lady doesn't even know. On this thing, it asks you, what's your job occupation? And she's like, he works. And the cashier's like, doing what? What does he do? Like, pick one. Labor guy. So she says, well, for what? Like mechanical or welding? Or it says on here. And the girl, she doesn't know. How do you not know what your fucking husband does? Anyway, she picks something out of random, just pulls something out of her fucking ass and pushes that button there. We'll push that one. It's asking, punch in your address. She doesn't even know her address. So she's got to get out her thing and she's got to look at her license or identification or something to punch in her address. All this crap. Then what does she got to do? It says, what's your income? What's your yearly income? So she asks the cashier, what do you mean yearly income? Well, what does he make? Well, I don't know. We just moved here. We haven't been here quite a year yet. Well, you know, have you been here? How long have you been here? A couple months. Well, you must know what his paychecks are, so figure that out in your mind. What is it? Doesn't know. Cashier, what does the cashier do? Cashier starts going behind there and she starts saying, well, let's see here. Is it 20, 40,000? Is it 40, 60,000? Is it 80, 100,000? Let's pick 80, 100,000. Better chance of getting a credit card. Well, it doesn't matter. Once you key in your information, it goes to the credit bureau or whatever. They know what you make. But who is she now to start punching in this guy's information? Or just guessing? I think she's doing it now because she sees she's fucking lined up out the fucking door now. They're all lined up. Still only the other two ones open, but they're lined up too. You should have fucking said go over to customer service because the same two girls are over there, nothing. Doing fucking nothing. Oh. I would normally walk out, but do you ever get in no situation, guy, where it's like a train wreck and you just can't help but just be like, I was memorized by this. I couldn't get over it. I just couldn't believe it. I couldn't think I would see two stupider fucking people in my life. Anyway, they get it all done, and then the lady's like, so I get my credit card now? And she's like, well, no, the information's done now. Now you gotta wait. They'll get hold of you within 48 hours or so. Oh. Well, I don't know if I put the right phone number in. I said, no, we gotta go here. Come on. Move on. Get out. You don't know your phone number? Well, fuck. Just get out of here. The girl's looking at me and, oh, I'm so sorry. And she keeps saying to everyone in the back there, I'm so sorry, people. It's taken so long. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. 20 minutes I stood there. 20 minutes. You know what she says when I'm next? She's racking my stuff up. She says, I'm not going to charge anyone in line for their bags today because they had to wait. You shouldn't fucking charge me anyway. I'm buying your product. So you go tell your manager I ain't paying for his fucking stupid, cheap-ass fucking tin shit fucking plastic bag that rips when I carry it out the door anyway. You're going to give me my bags for free. Yeah, thanks a lot. I'm going to give you a piece of information and advice. Next time you see you got a lineup and you ask someone, would you like to have a credit card today? Tell them to go to customer service. And not only that, don't start punching in other information for people that you don't know. That's not what you're supposed to do. Welcome to Walmart. But yet we all go there because we all get taxed to death. We all get fucked over by the government. And unfortunately, we have to go to these stores because they sell us everything cheap. Go buy Tide detergent soap. I buy it at Ma and Pa's. They want $11. I go to Walmart. It's $5. I'm still a working class stiff. Unfortunately, I got no choice. I got to go to Walmart. But trust me, if and when I ever get enough money, I ain't supporting you anymore. I don't buy their clothing. I don't buy nothing. I buy basically the basics there. I buy my fucking TP there, my paper towels there, my toothpaste there, my shampoo there, and I buy garbage bags and shit like that. That is it. Anyway, thanks a lot, Walmart. Thanks for watching the rant. Remember, we're going to have a nice video come up soon, remembering when. But thanks a lot, Walmart. All I got to say to Walmart is, there you go. But they know I'm going to be back, so they're just doing this right back at me. They're like, you're going to come back, and they're right, I'm going to come back. Yep. Anyway. Hey, it's always a good time at old time. I'll see you next time.